Hi YouTube, I thought today we'd have a look at my new Fairer watch, which is was a birthday present for me recently, although I chose it myself. Fairer is a British watch brand, which I'll talk about more in a minute, but let's have a look in the box. So it's got a sort of cardboard sleeve, which we'll take off. The box itself, very nice, sort of sleek black, some sort of pressed cardboard or something. It's not quite wood, not quite metal, not sure what it is, but a little bit scuffed on that corner. The lid just comes right off to reveal the watch inside, which we'll look at properly in a minute. This tray lifts out, nice little packet of stuff inside here. So, and in here we've got the Fairer logo again, and then the usual sort of bits you probably expect to find. A little user manual telling you how to operate the watch and so on. Little bag in here with I think it's a little bag you can keep the watch in to keep it nice and safe if you want to. Warranty card, and I think this is a sticker to stick on your car window or something if you should want to. I guess it's maybe more for jewelers to put in their windows. But that's what's in the box. And let's take a close look at the watch. So here's the watch itself. You can see I've already been wearing this for a couple of months from the wear on the strap, but I thought I'd give it a couple of months before talking about it, just so I can get more used to it. But I really like this watch. It's really just about the right size. It's not too big. It's 39.5mm diameter case. Not too big or heavy, it's quite slim. Very nice detail on this edge here is the bronzed winder that they use on all their watches, with the Fairer A on it. And the main thing I liked about this watch really was this, they call it sea green, sunburst sort of face, which just looks different in every different type of light. It's very hard to sort of pin down what colour it is or where the reflections are coming from. It's very unusual and attractive colour, I think. Try and get some better photos of this to add in as well. So it's a GMT movement. They call this the Fairer GMT, and the GMT part comes because it has this fourth hand, which is currently down at the bottom here, which you can set to any time zone, and it essentially allows you to track the time in another time zone around the world. Mine is currently actually set to GMT, the same time zone as the watch, so the watch is showing 1:20 and the GMT hand is showing just past the 13, which is the same time obviously. But if I pull the crown out one click and wind the crown clockwise, you can see the GMT hand snaps forward by 1 hour. 1 hour at a time as it goes round. And winding that same crown anti-clockwise changes the date, as you can see there. So Fairer as a company is a British company, and they claim to design the watches themselves in Britain, so they claim it's a British design, but it's Swiss made, so it's a Swiss movement. It's an ETA 2893-2 movement, according to their website. And the watch is actually made by their Swiss manufacturing partners, which are Roventa Hennex. So it's they can claim to be a Swiss-made watch with British design. I was looking for a British designed watch. Searching for British watches online, you tend to find an awful lot of designs which are harking back to MG midgets and Spitfire dashboards and watches that are designed to look like the altimeter from a Spitfire, and I just found these fairer ones to be a bit more forward-looking, not sort of harking back to that kind of ancient British history, but something which is smart and elegant and modern. So I really like it. Let's have a look at the movement through the back here. We've got a glass back to the case so that you can see the movement. You'll see the balance weight there moving, so this is an automatic watch. It's kept wound as you move around throughout the day. It's 10 atmospheres waterproof, although obviously with a leather strap it's not the sort of thing that you'd want to go swimming with, but at least the case is going to be protected if it does get wet. I have this nice quick release design on the strap so that you can very easily remove the strap and change it for a different one if you want to. And they sell various alternative straps on the websites if you want to have a selection of straps to suit different clothes that you want to wear, different suits, or just different moods. There's rubber straps, leather straps, quite a variety there, priced from sort of £45 up to £120 for the more expensive leather straps. So that's the Fairer Lander GMT automatic watch. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at that, and perhaps you'd be interested in getting hold of one. You can find links to their website in the description below. This isn't any kind of sponsored video. I've bought this with my own money, but I just thought it'd be interesting to show it to a wider audience, hopefully. Thanks for watching.